What a magic box! Bag-in-Box, an innovative and sustainable packaging. It consists of an inner high barrier film bag with a fitment and an outer rigid cardboard box, ideal for storage and transportation for a wide range of liquid and semi-liquid. Wow, what's inside? From beverages to baking ingredients, BIB serves diverse applications. It may sound unfamiliar, but it's everywhere. It is the ideal choice for liquid food and beverage, especially widely applicated in the food service market. Take a milk tea shop as an example. Average daily milk consumption reaches 700 liters. Using BIB packaging can achieve approximately a 10% reduction in total cost, a 5% decrease in total weight, a 70% increase in shelf life after opening compared to ordinary 1-liter carton of milk. Compared with rigid bottle, a 20-liter BIB can increase space utilization by 60%. The excellent barrier performance ensures product freshness. Amcor also has advanced sterilization technology to protect the contents from microbial contamination and upgrade food safety standards. Amcor provides BIB in various sizes, ranging from 1 liter to 220 liters, in order to meet different application scenarios. Larger capacity BIB products are ideal for B2B business application as transform packaging, can be used for dispensing and beverage mixing, and you can see the presence of BIB behind all this. In terms of sustainability, BIB stand out even more. Compared with bottled and canned packaging products, it can save about 86% of plastic usage and reduce the carbon footprint by 8 times. The inner bag, outer box, and fitment of BIB are easy to disassemble. The inner bag has recyclable solution, and the outer box is made of cardboard, which is recyclable, which helps reduce resource waste and contributes to sustainability. In supermarkets and other channels like food service market, you may also see BIB. BIB can be equipped with various types of fitments, depending on the contents and applications. Amcor has multiple film production lines of our own to ensure the innovation and development of its own films, mastering the material science technology and further enhancing its advantages. Amcor's Huizhou site is one of the first plants to manufacture BIB in China, with nearly 20 years of experience in BIB application solution, which can effectively ensure the sustainability and reliability of the BIB supply chain and supply products to all over the world. Amcor provides total solutions of packaging materials and packaging equipment and after-sales service to help customers efficiently and effectively launch BIB application. With the increasing consumer demand for healthy, safe, and convenient food, the application of BIB in food and non-food packaging has been rapidly driven and has become the preferred packaging method for more and more enterprises. An innovative and sustainable choice for liquid packaging. Come and contact Amcor's packaging expert to customize your exclusive BIB solution.